Here are the answers to Chapter 5, Practice Quiz B. Chapter 5, Practice Quiz B. I will redo the problems that people request. You just in just a second you can ask me which ones you want me to redo. The Chapter 5 quiz, I believe I said it was going to be on Wednesday. Now it is going to be on Thursday. Let's see if we can put this up here. I don't know if it'll work. Let's see. Yeah, just a second. I'm focusing in, so okay. And which one did you just ask for? Okay, number 6 is as we go through, please don't raise your hand and ask for a question just to be silly. But you can raise your hand and I will do the ones you want, but don't be, don't just ask for one because you think it's fun to raise your hand and ask one. Yes, sir. 3. Yes. 4. Yes. 7. Yes. 10. Yes. 7, I got circled. Yes, sir. 1. Yes. 5. No, I don't want to do the whole thing. That's the point. You guys, this is the second practice quiz. You should be able to get these right by now. Yes, sir. 9. No, it's not the whole quiz. And I don't, oh, there's my quiz up there. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10 I'm going to do right now. And just so you know, your Chapter 5 test scores for this class were up online on Friday. So if you haven't looked, you can look. Yes. Which one did you ask? I'm sorry. Okay, I won't do number 1. Stop talking. So we're looking at the Chapter 5 Practice Quiz B. And the first one I'm going to do is number 3. And I haven't explained them this way yet, but I'll explain them this way now, and maybe this will help some of you who are still confused on these. 18 x to the 6th y to the 2nd over negative 9 x to the 2nd y to the 5th. I started explaining this this way for period 3, and I think it helps some people. Some of you look at the whole problem all at once and then kind of do that panic thing, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so, but if you split it up in your brain and look at each section one at a time, it's really very easy. 18 over negative 9 is what? Negative 2 in the numerator. Sir, could you take out your spiral, look at your work at least while I'm doing this, pretend like it's vaguely interesting.
Yes.
X to the 6 over x to the 2nd, 6 minus 2 is x to the, in the numerator. Y to the 2nd, y to the 5th, we bring the 2 down. 5 minus 2 is y to the 3rd, and it's in the denominator. Okay, did that help for some of us?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry, I don't know the next one was asked. Number 4 was asked. 2x to the 3rd, y to the negative 3. I'm not sure. I forgot to adjust it. I'm just going to go back up for that first one. Okay. Let's see. 2x to the third, y to the negative 3 over 6x to the 6th, y to the second. Gentlemen, please try to control it. 2 over 6 is 3 in the 1/3, 3 in the denominator. X to the third, x to the 6 is x to the third in the denominator. Y to the third, this negative 3 goes down to the denominator and it becomes plus 3. 2 plus 3 is
5.
y to the 5th.
So it always goes down?
No, the object, for the most part, is to try to keep your exponents positive, unless it says otherwise. Sometimes it'll say something like, you know, I don't know exactly how they put it, like, put everything in the numerator or, you know, get rid of the denominator or something like that. Sometimes they'll say, I mean, our problems don't say anything specific, but in the future they could say something more specific like that. Or make all the exponents positive would be another thing they'd say. So if it's negative 3 in the numerator, you bring it down to the denominator and it's going to be positive, so you add it. If it's negative in the denominator, you bring it up to the numerator and it's going to be positive, right? You move it, yeah, okay.